One final question, I suppose, and is more around the sort of the long-term impact or future of this. Where do you see the long term of AI in the housing space?
I'll do a minute and then Adam can. So I think it
Go for
will,
it.
firstly, it will automate some of the manual tasks around core services, things like rent collection, repairs, answering common questions, facilitating requests, searching for a new home, all those sorts of things, which lots of people currently scrabble around at. I think it'll sort quite a lot of that. Secondly, I think smart home tech. So the average car has 3,000 sensors, the average home has less than 10. So I think there's a real opportunity here now to use AI alongside connecting up our homes. So exactly what you were saying there, Jacob, about gleaning data of what's going on in the home in real time and
Yeah.
fixing things before they happen, whether that's people falling to arrears, whether that's people ending their tenancy, or whether that's a repair in the property. So I think it's got a huge opportunity to do that, to sort things, all the things you said around being able to spot things that the customer isn't asking us around or talking to us about, but we can see as a problem. And also improving energy efficiency as well, which I think is a big issue for our customers, many of whom are still making the choice between heat and eat. So I think being able to use AI for that, alongside also real-time sentiment analysis, understanding what our customers are saying about us, what their issues are in real time, scraped from live conversations that are going on across the internet. I think that's where it gets really, really exciting.
Great point. Thank you, Nick. Adam?
Yeah, I guess from my standpoint, I'm just going to hound on the data again. I do think that that's going to be a massive, like a real big push and help for housing associations. It's coming now, whether you like or not. Anyway, with Microsoft, the next update of Microsoft will have Copilot on your work laptops, won't it? It's coming. So yeah, it's definitely using systems like Dynamics, where they will have that kind of the AI power coming in, to be able to look at that data that you've got, and to spot those patterns. And I think Nick's kind of pointed out, around like energy efficiency and, spotting any kind of problems around the house that might not be the main point of, a repair that's been put through, but it is connected, and maybe that system can pick it up. But like Nick said previously as well, is I think it's making sure, from like we should be always, is that the data that we put in is valid and isn't half baked, because like you say, it will spit out rubbish.